This is going to be an unboxing video and a review of the Hoover Power Scrub Elite Pet Plus. Now this comes in, I'm going to break them numbers down. I think it's the FH50251. I think that's it. And then this one, which is considered the professional series, they are both the same. I called Hoover. They are both the same. They have different model numbers, but exact same product. So let me talk for a minute before I like to ramble. Let me talk and explain what I'm going to do. I have a video online of a Bissell cleaner that I bought from Costco, and I tested it out on the carpet, and I was not happy with it. The carpet looked dirty. I just wasn't happy with the machine. So, because they have a really nice return policy, I returned the Bissell. And then I brought over a Bissell that I had bought from the same company years ago that's done very well. And I cleaned the same carpet, and the water came up really dirty only 2 weeks later. So let me show you the carpet. Sorry about all the dog toys, but that's the carpet. The carpet, it is a weird color, and ever since I got this carpet, ever since I moved in here, this carpet always looks dirty. Maybe just because of the color. Maybe the carpet is filthy inside. I have no idea. So I cleaned this 2 weeks ago using cleaners and solutions. So this carpet's been cleaned twice in the last month from a Bissell cleaner, and you can see the stains are still there. And I know if you don't use the right pre-treatment, but to me, the carpet just does not look clean. And that could just be me. Hard to say. So I've never used a Hoover cleaner before. This was on sale. A little bit of advice, some comments. When you buy this online from the Big A, if you shop online from them, it goes on sale all the time. It regularly lists for $189. Then they drop it down to $169 for about a week or two. Then they move it up to $179. Then it goes to $189, and then they drop it back to $169. If you buy during the special times of the year, this same product sells for, I believe, $149. So I got it on sale at the HD. They had a sale on it. They list it normally as $199, and it was on sale for a one-day sale for $148. So these are available at really good deals. If you just take your time, shop around, and wait, you will find a sale where you can get this. So again, I have never used a Hoover cleaner before. I'm hoping it's going to be a really good experience. Looks like, kind of like the Bissell, maybe it's got an Express. Bissell calls it the Express. This says dries in 45 minutes or less. So it's got a clean mode. I don't know. Supposed to clean dog hairs. The bristles on the bottom look a little bit different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a couple videos. I'm going to make 3 actually. I'm going to make an unboxing, because everybody loves unboxings, and how to put this thing together. And then I'm going to do another video showing the actual cleaning. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use any cleaning solution. I'm just going to put hot water in there and see what kind of dirt I bring up from the carpet. That way it will let me know if the carpet's dirty, if this is a better machine than Bissell, and how the Bissell did compared to the Hoover. And then after that, I'll probably put some solution in there and clean it up. I don't know if I'm going to show the cleaning, so I'll do 3 videos, the unboxing, the cleaning, and then I'm going to do 1 video all as one, because everybody wants to see lots of videos of carpet cleaning. Let me say a couple things. I've watched a lot of carpet cleaning videos online. I don't know if these people are getting paid for them. I don't know how somebody could come up with tons of machines and spend a little bit of time cleaning little sections of carpet. And most of these videos, they're subjective. It's really hard to tell if the carpet's been cleaned or if it's done any good. They're using white carpet, and some of them, maybe they're getting paid for these things. Hard to say. I don't know. My videos are legit, totally legit. I bought this machine with my own money. I'm going to see if it works. If it does, great, I'll keep it because it wasn't that expensive. If it doesn't, it's going back to the store. One thing I'll say about these machines, a lot of people buy them, and they're really upset that they don't do an incredible job, or they're upset if it breaks after 5 or 6 times. I know it should last longer than 5 or 6 times. You go out and you get a professional to do your carpet, it's probably going to cost you $100 each time. So my feeling is, and I know I should want or expect this thing to last a long time, if it cleans my carpet 5 times and it breaks, I'm happy, because I've saved money. I didn't have to move the furniture or have somebody come in and move the furniture or invade my privacy. I was able to do it on my own terms and clean my own carpet. So you can only expect so much out there with the stuff made today. So I'm going to shut up now and unbox this thing. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. It helps me as a creator. If you want to donate to my channel to help me pay for some of the stuff that I review, ask for my PayPal info, and I'll gladly accept whatever donation you want to leave me. And if there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do a video review for you. So here we go, unboxing time. People don't like unboxing videos. They have a really good advantage in a case like this. If this thing doesn't work and you want to box it up, if you don't take pictures or have a video of how to put this thing back in the box, they're not going to be thrilled when you take it back to the store with a box and the item. So, and they might not even take it back. So what we have here is we've got the instructions. We have, is this showing up here? Yeah, it's showing up. Have the instructions, and over here we have the pet soap. Over here we have a brush. I'm not sure. Well, that's a sturdy brush. I don't know how much good it's going to do, but there's a brush up there. In the corner over here we have, does this come out? Does it? Yeah, it should come out. Over here in the corner we've got something. This is really packed in way too tight. Okay. Be careful when you pull this out so you don't break it, because it's packed in tight. Much too tight. Alright, that looks like a water dispenser of some type. Hot water. Maybe the clean water or the soap. Who knows? Take it out of the plastic bag. And there's the rinse and the wash button over there. Let's get this out of the way. My videos tend to be extremely long. We have some instructions over here squeezed in. Okay, so we've got the instructions on how to use this. What is this? Cleaning solutions. Quick setup, how to use, how to assemble. How to assemble is only 3 steps. Clean mode. Okay, so this is just like the Bissell, the clean mode and the deep clean mode. Clean mode, the quick clean mode is usually much less water, and that way it will dry in 45 minutes, maybe. My feeling is when you're cleaning carpet, you really need to get the water and the cleaning solution down into the fibers, and then you need to get water to suck it all up. So the quick clean is usually for just a little spot stain. The deep clean is for something more. Cleans more than carpets. Attach the 8-foot hose and the cleaning tool. Stubborn stains on upholstery. So I guess it has an upholstery cleaner. Maybe that's what this little brush is over here. Let's get this thing out of the way. You can check my channel and you'll see that I put together the Bissell. And I'm not bashing Bissell because my second machine is a really good machine and I've gotten my money's worth and I'm really happy with it. I'm just hoping this is going to be better. This machine looks like it's already put together. There's next to no assembly. Whereas with the Bissell, I don't know how long I spent attaching parts, screwing in the handle and everything else. So let me get this thing out of the box and then I will go back to recording. Just in case I have to return this, let me get this on video. This handle is in here wrapped in plastic and it's pushed in its position this way. Put the sprayer up, going into the back of the box. And we have a quick guide there on how to put it together. So it looks like this is going to go together very easily. Inside we have I'm fairly impressed already. I hope this is going to be a good machine because I'm really happy already. We've got the upholstery hose inside the bag. If I remember right, in the other brand, the hose was wrapped in there and then the bag was wrapped in something else, I don't know. So they've done a really nice job of packaging this. And then what do we have down here? What do we have down here? We got something down here. We got the power cord. Okay, so the whole machine's just going to pop out of here right now. Yeah, this is really neat. I can't wait to do this. far as ease of assembly, Hoover's got them beat. 2 screws that are in here. All you do is you take this and you put it, how do you put this? It won't go on that way, so it goes on this way. You put it on here, and we can see over here there's a hole for a screw, and there's a hole for a screw. So I'm going to take the screws off. I'm going to mount this thing down here, slide it down, put the 2 screws on. How much easier can this be? And then you put the water tank on there. Wow. This took me 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and the other brand took me forever. Get a screwdriver. Yeah, I remember when I put together the other brand, you gotta put this thing in and snaps in place, and then you have to put a screw in there, and when I wanted to box it up to send it back, wow. I'm really hoping that this is a good product, because so far this is a very positive experience. Just taking it out of the box, you really don't even need the instructions, and everything's going well. The machine, let me get the rest of this tightening done. Okay, so that's done. Don't over tighten. You never want to crack the plastic. That's done. I don't know if this is 18 pounds, 28 pounds. It's really light when I'm doing this. It feels lighter than the Bissell. I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but to me, it feels much lighter. Let's face it, most of us guys are never going to read instructions, so that's a neat thing. We've got the cord holder over here. Looks like you step on this to release it, so okay. Much easier. I'm guessing this is the power switch. Probably the power switch. On the other one, it had a power switch on the front. Much more difficult to use because you have to keep reaching to the front. And the other model that I had, the switch was on the side. We've got packaging over here, but let me get off the packaging. Does this come up? No. And for me, I just want to get the carpet cleaner than what it is. I'm not looking for it to be absolutely incredible. What do we have here? I'm assuming that the upholstery thing probably attaches there on the, what is this? Hold on a minute. Oh, we've got the deep clean and the express knob over there. What else do we have? I'm hoping this is going to be a good machine because this is so easy right now. It's set up, it's user-friendly. Look at this. You just pop this little lever up and it comes out. Not so easy with the other machines. Looks like we have some filtering in here, I believe, for the water. This is probably the dirty water. And we've got a lever over here so that you can open it up, cleaning access. And this is quick spout pour cap, cleaning access. I'm thinking that's the dirty water, but I could be wrong. And then you just pop it back in place and lift this thing up and press down. Look at that. Yes. And in the video, we got a fairly nicely long cord. I'm not sure if it's as long as the other brand, but it should do what I need. So in a minute, I'm going to unwind this cord and then I'm going to put on the cleaning thing. And I'm just going to go with deep clean and some hot water. I don't know, what does it say, heat force for drying faster. So I'm assuming that just shoots out a bunch of heat. I don't know if you need to use, well, I'm going to use hot water. I don't know if it heats up the water for you or not, because I'm not going to read the instructions. And I'm going to get that last container. Where did I put it? I get this container over here. And, all right, for the people that are saying, why did you talk so much? Hey, it's my video, it's my channel, and I'm trying to help you out. And if you don't like the video, don't leave mean comments. Just find another channel and watch their video. The reason I'm doing a review of this is, like I said, there are very few really good reviews on this product. There are not bad reviews. There are poorly made reviews, which do not give you an idea how good this machine works. Just somebody cleans a little section. There are a couple of reviews on there, 2 minutes long, and they just, I took this out of my out of the box and I washed the carpet and it's beautiful. And I'm wondering who in the world is putting these videos out. So what do we have here? Rinse and wash. Okay, so I'm still not really sure. What do we have? Solution. Wow, 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 wow. Solution and water. Does it... It puts it in the same container, so I don't know why it's saying that, but I'm going to read the instructions really quick, and then I'm going to finish off this video. This thing pops on the top here. Let me get it on the camera view. Does it just snap in? How does it go in? Okay, so we've got a little... So this just... Oh, look at this. God, this is so well designed. It really is. Let's get that camera up there. Look at this thing. You just pop it in there. It's just going to pop in place. It better pop in place. It doesn't feel like it's snapped in place. So I'm going to press the button. Okay, this is a very well... I don't think I have it seated right. I don't think it's seated properly. Or maybe it is. Maybe that's just how it's supposed to be. It's a really nicely designed machine. So rinse or wash. Yeah, I'm going to have to read the instructions. I think one of them will let you put in water for washing, and maybe the other... There's no difference between rinse and wash. I don't know what the difference is in this whole thing. Let me read the instructions. And that is going to conclude my unboxing part. I'm going to find out how to fill this thing up and what these switches and knobs do. And if you're interested, make sure you watch the additional video on the operation and the review. I read the instructions, the quick instructions, and I'm not going to spend any time reading the other instructions. From what I can see over here, let's make sure this is on the video. What I can see, you take this out of the machine, you fill the water up in the water section to the fill line, and then there is a fill line for the solution section. So maybe the solution goes into a different area, and then you decide if you want to do the rinse or the wash, and on the bottom you do the clean mode or the quick mode. This is going to be the continuation of my video. I had an unboxing video, and now I'm going to be doing the cleaning video. So it looks like what they want you to do over here is put water in up to the fill line, put solution in up to the fill line, put the clean water unit back in. If you're going to be, they want you to not use boiling water. They don't want water over 140 degrees. So not excessively hot. Don't microwave it, or you're going to cause your machine a lot of problems. And they want you to rinse your carpet, so that's the whole idea behind the wash and the rinse. I don't know what it does with the machine, because I would think maybe it doesn't run the brushes or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure. So I'm going to be doing the wash. I'm going to be going down here with the deep clean mode, and I'll plug this thing in a minute and test it out after I get all the water and solution in here and the carpet cleared off. I'm going to try to talk while I'm doing some cleaning. If it's too noisy, then I might not talk, or I might wait until I'm finished to give you my comments on the video. And if the audio is too loud while it's cleaning, then just turn down the volume until I'm finished with the cleaning part of it. All right, here we go.